In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook ads in order to get faster results for your business. Facebook is the largest and most used social network today. Virtually everyone is on this social media platform. As a result, you can reach virtually the entire world with your products and offers, which is why utilizing Facebook advertising in your online business is a smart and effective strategy to boosting your reputation and your business. For the best Facebook advertising results, you need to target the audience you wish to reach with your Facebook ads. It's important that you are reaching the right people who will be interested in subscribing to your list and buying your offers. If your ads are reaching people who have no interest, all you're doing is wasting your money and lowering your return on investment, ROI. You need to evaluate the data from your ads to ensure you are reaching the people who are most likely to buy from you. This includes demographics such as age, gender, salary, location, etc. Go to your Facebook ads reporting page and click on Edit Columns. You want to ensure that data aggregation, campaign name, data breakdowns, age and gender, delivery and spend, reach and about spend, and actions, the specific action your campaign seeks, example website conversions, are checked with everything else unchecked. Then click Save Columns. On the next page you'll see a table. Click Reach on the top row to sort the table. You'll now be able to see the exact demographics of the majority of people seeing your ad and the percentage of your ad budget that is being spent on them. This will help you to determine whether this group of people is the best choice to spend Facebook advertising dollars on to reach them, or if you need to adjust the demographic parameters of the people who see your ad on Facebook. Note from the data in that table if there are specific age groups, genders, income brackets, etc., who are converting better from your current advertising. If there are, you may wish to allocate more of your Facebook ad budget on them and exclude other groups that aren't converting as well. Use your knowledge of your target market to determine what specific demographic parameters you need to change to make your Facebook advertising more effective so you will get a greater ROI from your Facebook advertising. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the top 3 platforms for promoting affiliate products. Promoting affiliate products can be a great way to add extra income to your internet marketing, as you don't have to create the products or provide product support to gain the income. Though you will usually make only a percentage of each sale versus 100% of selling your own products. Still, effective affiliate marketing can boost your income while not increasing your workload much. The top platform is Share a Sale. There are approximately 4,000 merchants on this platform, with over 1,000 of them exclusive to Share a Sale. One of the best qualities of this platform is that they provide a great deal of data in regards to the products that are promoted on the platform. This data includes earnings per click, EPC, reversal rates, the average amount per sale, and the average commission made per sale. This data can help you to determine which products can provide the greatest amount of income in the shortest amount of time. Share a Sale pays out on the 20th of each month if your account balance is greater than $50. Another top affiliate marketing platform is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. Most major retailers are located on CJ Affiliate, which means that there are many different products across many different niches. It's likely that virtually every online marketer, no matter the industry, can find one or more products to promote to their target audiences from this platform. There are over 3,000 advertising partners on CJ Affiliate. Most of the retailers on this platform provide various ad sizes, giving you better control of how the affiliate ads will appear on your site and/or blog. Commissions are paid out in a timely manner each month. In addition, CJ Affiliate's reporting suite provides very informative data and metrics. enabling marketers who study them to improve their performance and profits over time. Another top affiliate marketing platform is Amazon Associates. This platform has products from over 1.5 million sellers, which gives affiliate marketers a wide range of products to promote, enabling virtually any affiliate marketer to promote one or more products from Amazon's large catalog to his or her target audience. Amazon has put much effort and resources into making its platform and technology easy to use for all affiliates, even for those just starting out. Those affiliate marketers who are more experienced can utilize APIs to create custom tools and websites that boost their performance and profits over time. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the top benefits of why you should use WordPress instead of HTML to build and manage your websites. One key reason why you should use WordPress instead of HTML, hypertext markup language, is because many of the top companies in the world are using WordPress to manage their websites, including Best Buy, Adobe, Ford, and more. If these top companies that make millions of dollars in revenues each year and rely greatly on their websites to keep those revenues coming in by using it, it must be an effective platform, correct? Additionally, many internet users are comfortable with using WordPress-based websites. One key reason is because they allow you to easily add a blog to your website that allows visitors to read and comment on your content. Trying to incorporate a blog into your website using HTML is much harder, requiring you to know much more about properly coding a website in order for your site to have all of the elements needed to be effective at producing sales. Another key reason to use WordPress instead of HTML? WordPress is free, and it will always be free according to the creators of WordPress, Automatic. Various HTML professional designs can cost tens to hundreds of dollars, and free HTML designs often don't have the professional look and appearance you need to convince people that your business is professional and worth purchasing from. Automatic updates WordPress constantly with new features, both in terms of functionality as well as security. As a result, you don't have to worry as much about trying to update your website with the latest features as you would if you were using HTML for your website. In addition, WordPress is open source, meaning that it can be modified to include features you want or need to have for your site. Another key reason why you should use WordPress for your site? It's SEO friendly, meaning that WordPress will increase your chances of being ranked highly in the search pages. In fact, Matt Cutts, formerly the head of the web spam team at Google, endorsed WordPress at WordCamp San Francisco in 2009. His own personal blog is hosted on WordPress. The final reason to use WordPress? It's social media friendly. There are many automated tools that will allow you to post instantly to your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, and other social media accounts when you post on your blog. Being prevalent and relevant on the social media sites is key to getting more targeted visitors to your website, more subscribers to your email lists, and more customers to your business.